Good morning. Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
All right, we'll lift it off the ground.
Well, hey, Full Circle Ozarks family, out here working on the shop again today, making some progress, but as happens occasionally, I ran into another problem. I'm installing the windows, and let me kind of show you what's happening. This is part of the window frame here. I had this piece right here in, and this piece right here kind of bowled up like this right here. It was like 2 inches taller from the concrete down than it was supposed to be anyway. And so I spent some time looking at it, and I knew something was wrong. And I checked the blueprints that we have, and this piece right here was 2 inches short based on the specs of the blueprint. So I got on the phone with Wheeler Metal, and they have outstanding customer service, because when I got on the phone with him yesterday morning, and it was explaining what happened, and I told him that I had took measurements of this and it wasn't matching. They're like 2 inches short. He said, let me see what I can do. So he called me back in about 15 minutes, and he said, Larry, he said, I'm having 2 of these here made with right dimensions, and they apologized. They made them that morning. They put them on a truck yesterday evening, and they arrived for me to pick up this morning in Springfield, Missouri. And coming out of Oklahoma, I think that's pretty good customer service. Yeah, hope, one could argue that, it shouldn't have been 2 inches short, and that was on both sides. But, people make mistakes. I made mistakes. Have you ever made a mistake? I bet you have too, if you think about it. So anyway, I just decided, oh well, that's just the way it is. Wheeler Metal corrected it for me. They got these, and so I've already taken this one down, and I got this one installed. But let me take the camera over and show you kind of the difference before I actually install this one here. I'll show you the old one and the new one. So, okay, as you can see, swing the camera around here. These ends here are now butted up. That's straight across there. Matter of fact, this one here is the old one. So we're going to swing down here at the other end. And as you can see right here now, you can see the difference. This one here, the new one, is about 2 inches longer. So that was the issue. So anyway, as you can see, that was the issue. Again, this right here was the old one. This is the new one. And but I was amazed to see the fast turnaround by Wheeler Metal to get the correct size made. And again, it was just an honest mistake. Somebody mismeasured and made this one here 2 inches short. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this other one here installed. Okay, I need to bolt this piece right here in now. Let me check and see which one that is, and I'll grab that and get that installed. "36 inches, right on the money." So let me snug just one bolt right here for a moment. Okay, that side is out a little bit. Looking pretty good there. I think I want to snug these bolts here up now and see what I've got. Well, that's good news. That seems to work pretty good. I still have to get up there and fasten the tops, so I will get that done. So, okay, for the bottom part of this window here, depending on what size window you want, you have to drill the bottom hole. So I chose to get a 3.0 window, 3x3. So I want to drill a bottom hole here. And I start out with the pilot hole. One pilot hole down. Two pilot holes down. Got it. Persistence paid off, right? So we'll have to get the holes drilled on this side. Okay, I got the holes drilled on this side. I still need to drill those, but I realized once I put this piece of metal here in the bottom part, I can't get under here to hold the nuts. So what I want to do is put these on just like this. Let me go ahead and stick these on. Hopefully you can see it that way better. Grab a couple of the nuts there. So what I do now, I want to take this back down to the house, and I want to take my welder and weld this nut here in place. That way I don't have to worry about holding it. That way when I get it in place, I can just put the bolt in. So I'm going to set this aside and go ahead and put one of the other girts up right here, and we'll come back after I get this welded. It'll probably be tomorrow. I need to stop and get ready for church pretty quick, but I wanted to get at least one more piece done. I'll set this aside so I can take it down to the house and get those nuts welded. Okay, let's go ahead and get this other piece of gird up. You know, I think that's probably got it for today. Like I say, I'll take that other piece down, get the that nut welded on, and come back up and get that installed, but that will be tomorrow. So we'll catch you a little bit later. Stay tuned.
Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Come on, girls. Come on. Chick, chick, chick. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, chick, chick. You too. Come on, yeah. Come on. Come on, chick, chick. Come on, girls. Move out of the way. You're always the last one. You're the problem one. Come on. Come on. Good girls. Good girls. Let me count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're all in there. Good girls. There's your bedtime snack. There's your bedtime snack. I don't even want a snack. I just want a bedtime. Now let's see if you earned your keep today. Woo! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, you're pooing on them. 7, 8, 9. And that's our little fake egg. Yep, you can stay in there. Oh, they did a good job here. Let's see what they did over there. Oh, almost got diarrhea. Ugh, I gotta work on that. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay.
Both of those, the fake eggs?
Yeah.
You want to put one on the other side? And
I put them in there because they don't hardly ever use the middle. And I need to put some, I'm going to have to clean that one out. Let me see if one of them laid in the... Ooh! Let's see. Yep. 14.
I see another one in there.
You do?
Yeah. Straight back. Open the other door.
Oh, I see it. Yep. It'd be 15.
Okay.